Welcome to Tech Sips with Nadina, where bold ideas brew and digital strategies simmer to perfection. I'm your chief strategy architect, here to guide you through the caffeine charged world of CRM, IT, and yes, what I playfully call digit transformation. Think of it as a bite sized tech wisdom, like the perfect espresso shot to kickstart your digital journey.
It's a term that can conjure up images of complex technology and overwhelming change. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be scary. Let's sip on the basics, breaking down this important buzzword into manageable pieces so you can understand what it means for your business and how to get started. What we are tackling today that has been brewing on everyone's lips is, of course, what I affectionately call digit transformation. So let's learn about digital transformation. When we talk about digital transformation, depending on who you talk to, you might get different definitions. Let's talk about what it's not. It's not about buying the latest software. The newest CRM. How I see digital transformation is really about your business. It's about using technology to fundamentally change how you operate, delivering value to your customers, and even how you think about your business model. Now, let's be crystal clear. Business should be the driver for change, not technology. But when we talk about digital transformation, we often will focus in on the technology piece. And I really see this as one-sided. If you're not focused in on the business and the technology, well, you're setting yourself up for failure. And when I think about digital transformation, again, I never see it as a one and done program, a one and done project. It's an ongoing process of adapting and evolving to meet the ever-changing demands of the digital age that we live in today. Fundamentally, it requires a willingness to embrace change. What I mean by that is, if there is no vision for where the business is headed, if there's no goal that we're trying to meet, bringing in the latest and greatest technology, all in the sake of saying that you're doing digital transformation, is just setting your company up for failure. You want to challenge the status quo, and you want to actually embrace a culture of innovation and agility. Now, why does this even matter? Well, the world is fast-paced. The digital world is even faster. Businesses that don't adapt risk being left behind. What digital transformation does, it helps you stay ahead of the curve, remaining relevant to your customers. There's also a customer experience angle. Of course, in the digital world, we have tools that can help you personalize interactions, deliver seamless experiences across channels, and exceed customer expectations. You also boost efficiency and productivity. By streamlining workflows, you use data to make better decisions, which can then lead to significant cost savings. So it will improve your operations exponentially. And of course, driving innovation. What digital transformation allows you to do is open up for new opportunities for innovation and growth, allowing you to create new products, services, and, well, a better business model. You might be thinking, okay, I get it. Digital transformation is important. It has to be business driven. It can help my customers and it can help my overall bottom line. But where exactly do you start? Well, don't worry, I have you covered. When it comes to kickstarting your digital transformation journey, I see this as 5 important key steps. Number 1, start with a clear vision. You need to define what you want to achieve, have clear goals, and how you will measure them. Make sure you're solving for the right problem at the right time. Next, you want to assess your current state. Where are you now in terms of your digital maturity? What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? Really identify what this journey will look like. Do you have the right resources in place? Is this something that you will have to hire for? There's a lot of different questions that you can ask, but ultimately you know your business best. Identify your priorities. What are the most impactful areas to focus on first? Many companies might do multiple digital transformation journeys. One has to come before the other. Having them done simultaneously, well, yes, it can be done with the right resources in place, but it doesn't mean that's where the focus should be. So really focus in on how you identify your priorities. After you've outlined these first key critical steps, now it's time to develop a roadmap. How long will it take for you to achieve these digital transformation goals? These types of multi-year roadmaps really require a strategic eye and a strategic vision. Being able to have them done end to end, where there might be multiple programs within this digital transformation portfolio, and having the perseverance to keep going and to adjust as needed. Last but not least, and I would say the most critical, is experiment and iterate. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from your mistakes. Digital transformation is an ongoing journey, but again, it's not a destination. So, there you have it, your espresso shot of knowledge on digital transformation. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Take the first steps today, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a digitally transformed future. Thanks for joining me on this caffeinated adventure. Until next time, keep sipping on those digital insights. And don't forget to tune into our next episode, where we'll deep dive into the role of IT strategy and digital transformation.
So, raise your mug to the future. Let's clink virtual teacups and savor the sweet digital success. Subscribe to Tech Sips with Nadina, and together we'll craft your future one strategic blend at a time.